welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making lasagna. Here are the ingredients: onion, garlic, hot dog, mushroom, ground beef, spaghetti sauce, cheese, butter, condensed, evaporated milk, at lasagna pasta. First, heat up the pan. After it's heated, put the olive oil in, then put the garlic and onion. Then, when the onion is golden brown, put the ground pork, 1/2 kilograms. When the pork is light brown, put the sliced mushroom and hot dog.
Alright, the evening for you. So you start 10 minutes. Start to start.
And put 1 kilogram of tomato sauce. After you mix it, put 1 cup of evaporated milk. Then put 1/2 nor of pork cubes. Then mix it for 5 to 7 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Taste testing. Then add the parsley. This is only optional. Then melt 3 tablespoons of butter. It is sinking like the Titanic. After you are done melting the 3 tablespoons of butter, pour in the 1 1/2 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. The iceberg type, the butter type. Then pour 1 cup of milk, evaporated. After you mix the butter and the all-purpose flour for 4 minutes, put the cheese in, then mix it until you reach the desired consistency. When the water is boiling, put the lasagna in 1 by 1.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
From time to time, gently stir it. After 8 minutes, check if the pasta is soft. Then turn off the stove. Then drain it. After you drain it, put it in a bowl. After you're done boiling the lasagna, it's time to arrange it. First, put tomato sauce. Then add some lasagna. After the first layer, put more. Then after the first layer, put the bechamel sauce. Here is the finished product. I mean, looks better than I expected. But this is my first time cooking lasagna. Alright guys, goodbye. Peace. Bon appetit, gamers.